I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. Now let's make Pom Pom crowns, headbands, tiaras, whatever.
Not written in the stars, or is it ours to take what's ours for tonight? I've got sirens going off in my head. Whoa, I've got sirens going off in my head. Whoa, I've got sirens going off in my head.
And there you have it. It's that simple. Really easy pom-pom headbands. I can totally see this craft being done at like a slumber party, a birthday party, I don't know, a tea party, Christmas Eve, New Year's, Halloween. You can kind of apply any sort of pom-pom style to a headband, which is why it's really versatile and really fun to do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to see more fun crafts. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest at MadCrafty, and I'll see you next time. Bye!